dark in here. Wow, and now it's too
File
bright.
82702, Agent Rick Dicker interrogating.
Wow.
State your name, please.
Kari McKean. It's like Carrie, only with a K instead of a C, and an A instead of an A, and only one R and an I instead of an IE.
Tell me about the incident.
Well, it started out like any normal sitting gig, you know, with the reassuring of the parents and all. Mrs. Parr, I can totally handle anything this baby can dish out. Can't I, little boo-boo? Who can handle it? You can handle it. Mrs. Parr? Mrs. Parr? Oh well, she knows you're in good hands. Now who's ready for some neurological stimulation? It's time for cognitive development. Ooh, where's the goo-goo baby? Where's the hiding, huh? That was really weird. Wait, right here. Hello, Mrs. Parr, this is Kari. I have a question about Jack. Can you call me? Ah! Jack, baby? Where are you? Where at? Mrs. Parr, it's me. Jack is fine, but weird things are happening, and you need to tell me what to do, because I'm... How'd you get... Ah! We're gonna calm things down a bit now and look at flashcards. Won't that be fun? Triangle. Good. House. Good. Campfire. Ah! Don't! Baby on fire! Baby on fire! Good baby! Nice baby!